arrange some plants over to this area and just use things that I had around the house. I played with it a little bit back and forth, but I think I like it like that. Now I do have to make sure to keep a light, grow light above that beautiful begonia. Otherwise it'll act up. And another grow light for that beauty as well. These are some propagations. I put it in a recycled glass jar and then I covered it with contact paper that's gold. Yep, instead of spending more money. These are my lovely propagations. How gorgeous are those? This is the friendship plant, and it's flowering so beautifully. Thanks for watching.